Hello everyone, welcome to Naz Learning Corner. I hope that you all are doing great and having fun in learning English. If not, then you are at the perfectly right place. So today I'm going to give you 3 techniques that will help you to improve your communication in general. It's not only about English language improvement, but also it will optimize your overall communication and speaking style. Since if I'm talking to you right now, so I know what I am saying. I know what I'm talking about. It's not like something I'm saying without thinking. I know what is my objective, what I want to deliver, and what words I am speaking through. Let me tell you a story today. It will help you to become more mindful of your words. Once a Buddhist teacher and his disciple was crossing the flowing river. The teacher crossed the river with efficiency. And then the disciple was really confused at how I can cross the river. So maybe I'll gonna die if I'll just cross the river. So what happened? The teacher said that the only way to cross the river is by being mindful of each and every step, and by trusting that mindfulness. This is really important. I'm listing down some of the meditation practices for mindfulness once, and you can implement this technique in any of the exam too. If you are appearing in a Duolingo, an IELTS exam, the major issue is you are prepared, right? We join any kind of institute, but because of time management issue, we'll never be able to ace it. Once our mind will become peaceful, it will become really easier for us to manage the time, think of the best words, and speak with fluency. So the second technique I'm going to tell you is look good all the time. Doesn't matter you are in public or you are at your home. Try to look clean, tidy, polished. That's my personality trait that I like about myself a lot. That's my personality trait too. Doesn't matter whether I'm going to meet other person or I'm at home. I always love to look polished and beautiful. And it gives me confidence because it improves my creativity and gives me that confidence that, okay, I am good, I'm beautiful, I'm taking care of my personality so that I can take care of the other person too. Second step is look good all the time. Looking good doesn't mean that you have to apply any kind of fancy makeup or any kind of fancy clothes you need to wear. No, just wear neat and tidy clothes that help you to look good. And now you need to look beautiful from inside too. How can you do that? Every single day, make it a habit to write a daily journal of gratification. That I am grateful every single day. Just set some reminder on yourself on that, okay, today I'll write on my journal that at 8 p.m. that's what I'm grateful for. Like I'm grateful for a laptop that I have. I'm grateful for clean water. I am grateful for my mind. What you need to do is you need to be grateful. This is the second habit. So you need to basically make yourself beautiful from inside out. Once you will be beautiful from inside, then the aura will be in your personality. That will create such an amazing wavelength that attracts so many positive and amazing people in your life. And from that day when I started writing my daily gratification journal, so I feel so much positivity in my personality. See, positivity is not, we believe that, okay, by just following some of the amazing speakers, by watching any kind of motivational videos, we'll be able to become an amazing speaker. It's not the thing. Something about amazing communicator is in depth, and that is the techniques that I'm telling you. Implement these techniques. It's just like as a tip of the iceberg. And trust me, if the person is beautiful inside, then you can see the positivity. There are some people that you love to talk to because you can say, oh, when I sit around this person, I feel some aura of positivity. A lot of people now give me this compliment too, that I have something positive about my personality. It was not something ingrained in me, but I planted the seed in my personality of positivity. And how you can do that? By being grateful of what you have in your life. You have clean water, you have clean pillow, you have your cell phone, you have your teeth, you have your nose, you have your breath. You have so many things to be grateful for. So every single day, try to make it a habit that you can write your gratification journal. It will help you to feel good inside. And try to do one act of gentle kindness that you can remind when you are just before you sleep. This will help you to make your heart beautiful, and once your heart is beautiful, so then the clothes you're wearing will reflect positivity differently. And you can see this through your communication. Third thing, your vocals, the way you talk. There are a lot of people who talk with such a high pitch that you don't want to listen to those people because their voices, their pitch is so high that you think, the voice is tantalizing. I don't want it to hear that kind of sound anymore. Just get away. So this is the most pivotal thing. How can you do that? By doing the breathing practice. And once you'll be able to control your vocals, then your throat will work like the strings of the guitar. It's up to you. You are producing noise with it, or you are creating a symphonical, melodious, musical vibe with it. These 3 tips will definitely help you to improve your communication, because this is an era of communication. Doesn't matter. You are a businessman, you are a mother, you are an employee, you are a waiter, you are a girl or a boy. It's important for you, and it will bring tranquility in your life too. If you are an amazing communicator, your life will become easy, because basically you'll be able to learn that how can you convey your message in a significant way. Most often it happens that we have loads of amazing ideas to convey, but because of lack of clarity, lack of communication, we'll never be able to convey our thoughts to the other person, and the other person takes all the credit just because his or her communication is so upgraded. It's your time to shine. It's your time to bloom, my darling. So make sure that you should work on your communication skills and try to become gentle communicator, and try to become that kind of communicator that when you talk, people love to listen to you. People love to talk to you. People love to share their problems with you, because an amazing communicator is an effective listener. If you like my today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up, and try to share it as much as you can. It's a gentle gesture of appreciation for me to make such kind of videos for you. Take great care of yourself. See you in the next video. Bye bye.